in the summer of 2002, where we're only 11, acting like a grown-up, like we are the present. Drinking from a plastic cup, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Dancing on a hood in the middle of the wood, and I almost down. Well, we sung with all our childhood friends, and it went like this: say, oh, I got not enough problem singing bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna take a walk with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the day we were young, singing at the top of Monopalang. Now we're undercover. Fast forward to waiting, we are more lovers. Yeah, we are all we need when we're holding each other. Thinking back on 2002. Yeah. Dancing on a hood in the middle of the wood, and I almost stung. Well, we sung with all our childhood friends, and it went like this: say, oh, I got not enough problem singing bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna take ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the day we were young, singing at the top of Monopalang. Day we fell in love, ooh, 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 ooh. On the day we fell in love, ooh, 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 ooh. Dancing on a hood in the middle of the wood, when I almost down. Well, we sung with all our childhood friends. Oh, now, oh, I got not enough problem singing bye bye. Hold up, if you wanna go, take ride with me. Better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the day we were young, singing at the top of Monopalang. Day we fell in love, ooh, 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 ooh. On the day we fell in love, ooh, 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 ooh. Day we fell in love, ooh, 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 ooh. On the day we fell in love, ooh, 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 ooh. The day we fell in love, love. And thank you po sa inyo lahat. Thank you po sa Sugar Roll Family and Agency. Sa lahat po ng mga ka-member namin, thank you. Sana huwag kayong magsawa. Ayan guys, 1 minute na lang po, si RJ na po.
Papalista tayo.
Thank you so much.
Apat kayo.
So, Friday ng madaling araw. So, ibig sabihin, hindi Friday.
Ayan, pa-music ka na lang muna bang inaantay mo yung...
Sabado.
Saturday. Ganon. Game.
Oo.
Welcome everyone guys. Thank you po. Sa lahat po ng viewers na nandun kay Barbie, ayan, shall we guys? Cut ko sa gilid. Ayan, welcome. Ayan, at 10:30 na guys. Mag-intay lang tayo ng mga 1 minute pa. Ayan, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you Barbie. Thank you. Ayan, Bakex, Shawi. Ayan, Shawi po. Maghintay tayo ng 1 minute para sa mga papasok pa. Thank you so much po.
Pati na tayo.
Chat puno talaga. Nakabahan talaga ako. Dahil sa line-up ng songs. Pero ilalaban natin yan. Go!
You will remember.
Welcome po sa inyong lahat. Welcome guys.
Sabihan mo sila ni Ratsiana.
Charis, Shawi, sa mga nasa panel natin, Ate Joy, kaya Bebsa, si Diwata, Wildflower, Shawi guys, Bakex, Shawi, Joyline, hello po kay Shaylayap. 10:31 na guys. Ayan, so welcome guys. Welcome to my solo live house. This is RJ from Sugar Rolls Family Agency. Kaya maraming salamat sa mga nandito. Sa taga Sugar Rolls Family na nandito. kay Freddy Manager ng Sugar Rose Agency. Freddy Manager Nikki Rela, the double K and the double L. Ayan, thank you so much po sa support. Sa mga taga-ibang agency na nandito, ayan, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, good evening everyone. Sa mga kaibigan ko na nandito, ayan, welcome po. Ayan guys, gagapang kayo sa sobrang baba ng atake natin. Kaso yung challenge natin kay Michael J, parang ang hirap suminok guys. Hindi ako nasinok. Dalasing. Hindi ako nasinok dalasing. So let's end my first song everyone. Ayan, Kyle Shawi po. Ang pangit ang sinok. Ayan, first song na tayo guys. Kakapain natin to. Bahala si Batman.
Sinok kasi literal na sinok.
Kaya nga.
And welcome po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Solo Live House. Don't forget to send your recommendation cards. Don't forget to follow and double tap the screen guys. Thank you po. Thank you. Siyempre, dito na mag-intro. Everybody's got a price. I wonder how to sleep at night. When I say it comes first and the truth comes second, then stop for a minute and smile. Why do everybody so serious? Acting dumb so mysterious. Got a shades on their eyes and your heels so high you can't even have a good side. Everybody look to the left and everybody look to the right. Can you feel money? Better be with the love tonight. It's not about money. It's about money. We just make the world dance. Forget about the past. Ain't about the touching. Ain't about the bubbling. We make the world dance. Katie, Shawi, Reco, Warrior, Shawi po. You stay all night. Thank you sa recommendation. Side, why everybody so obsessed? Why can't buy us happiness? We can all slow down and enjoy right now. Guarantee we'll be feeling alright. Everybody look to their left and everybody look to their right. And you feel that better be with love tonight. It's not about money. Thank you. Money. We just let the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about that. Ain't about the bubbling. Let the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Yeah. Siyempre, skip natin yan. Thank you so much guys, Sugar Rose family. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Sa mga taga-ibang agency na nandito, ayan, welcome po. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Ayan, thank you po sa mga nagsasend ng recommendation cards, sa mga nagsasend po ng lucky gifts. Hope you win big. Ayan, don't forget po na mag-like din. Ayan, and don't forget to follow me guys. Thank you Sugar Rose family, Freddy Manager, Manager Nikki Rela, with the double K, with the double A. Baby, need your money. That's to make the world dance. Forget about a price tag. Ain't about that. Ain't about that. Yeah, bubbling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about a price tag. It's not about that. World dance. Forget about a price tag. Nami, Shawi, Kyle. Thank you sa recommendation. Ayan. Thank you. Welcome everyone. Gotta make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. O, diba?
Meron naman din sa iba.
Parang scripted talaga yung
Si AR.
yeah. Siyempre, linyahan natin to guys. Ayan. Welcome po sa inyo sa mga nandito. Ayan, welcome po. Again, this is RJ from Sugar Rose Family Agency. Welcome po sa aking Solo Live House. Ayan, don't forget to follow. Kung meron po kayong mga recommendation cards, ayan, highly appreciated po yan. Sa mga outside naman ng Sugar Rose Agency, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Thank you so much guys for coming. Next song na tayo guys. Ito, bagong-bago to guys. Kaka-release lang nito kahapon. Yan, kahapon lang talaga to na-release. Okay. Ayan, enjoy yan guys. Kaka-release lang nito kahapon. Thank you, Manager Freddy.
Live ako ng 10.
Nene, hey, Madam Nene.
Saan te? Kaya mo lang te. Okay lang yan. Kaya nga dyan tayo dyan tayo nag-upload kasi gawa nung magkakaroon talaga tayo ng violation. Kaya hindi ako nagpo-post dun sa isa kong YouTube. So dyan lang siya. Copyright kasi.
Thank you so much. And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen.
Yun yung malaki-laki dito sa meron. Tablet kasi ako nag-record kasi yung cellphone ko na Itel, kaya yung kay Uni, walang sound pag-upload. Hindi na ako. Oo, okay. Okay sa settings, like okay na okay talaga. Pero kapag kaya, ano na, wala. Hindi ko alam ako ganun din. Kaya gusto sa cellphone.
Little Bayan, and thank you so much. Welcome everyone.
Baka nasa shorts ka nag-upload.
Dancing queen, feel the beat of the tambourine, oh yeah. You can dance, having the time of your life. See that girl, watch and see, digging the dancing queen.
Wala.
Shall we guys? Welcome po. Sa mga nagsasend po ng lucky gifts dyan, ayan, win big. Win big yan. Thank you so much. Tapos na ba ito? Patapos na pala. Thank you, win big guys. Welcome everyone. Ayan, sa mga outside po ng ating Sugar Rolls Family Agency. Ayan, welcome po sa inyo.
Ayun na naman yung
And good morning, good afternoon, and good evening po sa inyo.
Ayaw ko
And
yung
again,
ganun
welcome to my solo live house.
Sipon yan eh.
This is RJ from Sugar Rolls Family Agency. Sa mga nandito po naka-Sugar Rolls ko, ka-agency ka pa, thank you so much. The Primary Manager Nikki with the double K, with the double L, Ricarella, thank you so much. Kyle Inok, kaya Beb Sassy, Wildflower, Ate Joy, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Don't forget to follow sa mga hindi pa nakafollow. Mabait ako, guys. Sa mga wala kayo sa hindi, mabait po ako. Follow niyo po ako para makawa niyo na. Tsaka din po may mga recommendation cards niyo kayo. Lambing na lang po ng recommendation cards. At kung sino pa yung mga nandito naka-Sugar Rolls, hindi ko lang po nababasa pa. Pero, as far as I can remember, Lenny A, Cutie, Shawi sa aking dalawang sisters.
wow, nakapahin ka agad yun.
Nasabi pogi daw po ako. Sabi lang nila kaya naniniwala ako. So guys, let's proceed na sa next song natin. Ito, sana okay talaga. Sana may ko talaga guys, kasi hindi ko talaga makuha yung tono na ito. Yan, pero laban. Welcome guys to my solo live house. Laban.
Kasi ano tawag nito, hindi na siya na-pictured kanina.
Oo, hindi ka talaga ma-featured kapag kayo hindi umabot. Ano siya?
Cause my heart so smelly. I will not breathe the way it felt so hard. I will not try away to never let it get that far. Because of you, I'm not straight to how much I want. Because of you, I will never let go. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only
Pag sure. Thank you guys. Welcome everyone. I was so young, you should have never told me. Should never I will and now I'm laying in the middle of the night, but still got because of you, I don't get home. Because of you, Welcome po. Thank you so much. Because of you. Welcome po. Ayan, 41 million viewers. Shawi guys. Thank you sa mga nagsasend po ng lucky gifts. Ayan, thank you po. Hope you win. Win big. Because of you. Ayan na, susunod na si Miley Cyrus. Ano kaya ito itatawin?
Oo, nag-overheat na naman daw yung aking
Pati kanina ba pinapractice? Ayan, ayan. Welcome po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to my solo live house. Again, this is RJ from Sugar Rolls Family Agency. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo kahit mali-mali talaga yung kanta ko. Nami, Shawi, ka-Sugar Rolls sa mga nandito and sa mga taga-ibang agency. Ayan, don't forget to send your recommendation cards po. Ayan, maraming salamat sa Pogi. Thank you sa Angels, ayan, kaya Diwata, Wildflower, kaya Beb Sassy, Ate Joy, kaya Neneng Madam Bebe, sa mga nandito, Kyle, everyone, Sugar Rolls family, maraming salamat po. Thanks for joining. So, meron pa tayong 15 minutes, so pwede natin ipasok tong isang kanta na sobrang, Diyos ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko kakabisaduhin talaga siya. Pero subukan natin. Wala talaga akong choice. Yan, welcome po. Ayan, kaya. Paano nga ipapasok yung toro dun sa bandang dulo? Yung pinapractice ko kanina. Bakex, Shawi, Daniel. Thank you so much. Yan na. We change our hearts in vain. We just never asking why. We kissed and
We close
no good night. Don't you ever say I just walk away. I will always love you. I can't get right. I will always love you.
Ano namin?
I gave you right and wrong, and then it's so hard to love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All I ever did was wreck me. You wreck me. Thank you.
Ashes on the ground.
Tulog na sila Banso. Eh, may tulog. Ayan sila sa kwarto ba? Wala nang katabi yung ano.
Tatapos ko na yung library to. Yung strategy ko, alam mo ko, ang strategy ko, te, akyat ako sa taas. Pag akyat ko sa taas, kukunin ko muna yung mga libro na pangbaba. Ihahagis ko. So, ang natitira na lang, yung mga libro sa taas. So, yun, yung mga natitirang libro na lang sa taas. Yun na yung iikot ko sa taas. Ang dami din. Bago ko naisip yun. Ang dami din. Screenshot ko.
Thank you so much everyone. Ayan, sana nag-enjoy kayo guys sa aking mali-maling sa aking mali-maling lyrics. Welcome to my solo live guys. Again, this is RJ from Sugar Rose Family Agency. Welcome everyone. Next time lagad tayo guys para makarami-rami pa tayo before yung next natin. Shawi, welcome po. Welcome sa inyong lahat. Walang sinok. Hindi ako makakasinok. Hindi mo na ako sinanok. Ay, nalasing. Nalasing talaga, hindi naman sininok. Yeah, welcome po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa Lalagas, guys. This is RJ from Sugar Rose Family Agency.
Ay, mag-live. Bye ka.
I won't leave that way with you. Our two words apart. away. But I can see that you're falling apart from the way it used to be. Yeah. No matter the distance, I want you to know deep down inside, that me, finding the one desire you are. Welcome, guys. Thank you, thank you. Ain't nothing but a heartache. Ain't nothing but a mistake. And I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Ain't nothing but a mistake. And I never wanna hear you say heartache. Thank you so much po. Napapaus na ang person. Ayan. Pero bago tayo mag-PK, one more song pa tayo, guys. One more song. Welcome everyone to my solo live house. Again, this is RJ from Showgirls Family Ages. Uy, magandang dilag. Nandito na ito. Yung magandang dilag natin. And welcome po sa inyong lahat. Sa mga nag-send po ng recommendation cards, ng gift, ayan, at nag-like. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Next song na tayo, guys, before natin i-PK si Brother Eki. Shawi. Thank you po sa gifts. Ayan, don't forget to follow sa mga hindi pa po nakapollow. Thank you. Chat po no. But some things you don't understand. In your eyes, I see my future instead. There it goes, I think I found my best friend. I know. Eh, bigay na pala ako. Bigay na wala ako, guys. Asa kaya si Brother Eki? Brother Eki. Alam mo picture ni Brother Eki? Wala, nakalimutan ko. Ito pala. Yun. Ay, shawi. Tayo ulit.
Here na naman again.
Tayo ulit ng magkano kasi tayo nasa dawan dulo.
Kaya nga.
Ayun guys, so before we proceed, bago tayo matapos, papakilala ko muna guys. So the first one to perform next to me guys on Solo Live House from Showgirls Family. So presenting, yan, please welcome guys, Brother Eki. Pakilala ka muna brother.
Hey! From Sugar Family Club, I'm Aki. Yan guys, lipat na kayo dito sa akin guys. Paiiyakin. Nakatawa lang.
Meron pa tayong audience guys. Itutuloy natin yung ating kantang Naun Sami. Maraming salamat guys sa mga nagtsaga talaga. Thank you sa mga
Oo nga
nagtsaga.
may mga gising pa si Ate Neneng nga, aga dito eh.
Ano to?
Lumipat tayo dito, siyang puno daw sila. Sino sila?
I see baby secrets I'm searching for. I think I'll find my way home. I'm looking inside out more than a little crazy, but I believe
you.
Welcome po
Kuya
sa
RJ,
mga
thank you.
Sorry. Sabi po.